Have you ever heard someone say, "You're born with all the brain cells you'll ever have"? It's a common myth, but the truth is far more exciting. Your brain is incredibly dynamic, constantly changing and adapting throughout your life. Every time you learn something new, you're actually rewiring your brain. It's like upgrading your mental software, making you smarter and more adaptable. Imagine your brain as a vast network of roads connecting different cities. These roads represent the connections between your brain cells, called neurons. When you learn something new, it's like traveling down a road for the first time. The more you travel that road, the wider and smoother it becomes, making it easier and faster to travel in the future. This process of strengthening connections between neurons is called synaptic plasticity. The more you use certain pathways in your brain, the stronger those connections become. It's like building a superhighway in your brain for information to travel quickly and efficiently. Here's another amazing fact. Your brain can actually grow new brain cells, especially in a region called the hippocampus. This process is called neurogenesis, and it plays a vital role in learning and memory. The hippocampus is like a bustling city center in your brain, where new information is processed and stored. Neurogenesis is like building brand new houses in this city center, increasing its capacity to handle new experiences and knowledge. The more you challenge your brain with new learning, the more you encourage the growth of new brain cells in the hippocampus. Just like a car needs fuel to run, your brain needs the right nutrients to function at its best. A healthy diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and omega-3 fatty acids provides the building blocks for new brain cells and strengthens existing connections. Sleep is another crucial ingredient for brain health. When you sleep, your brain is busy consolidating memories and clearing out toxins. It's like giving your brain a well-deserved rest after a long day of learning and exploring. Imagine two people, one who spends their days glued to a screen, passively consuming information, and another who actively engages with the world, pursuing new hobbies, learning new skills, and challenging their mind. Whose brain do you think will be healthier and more resilient? The answer is clear. An active lifestyle filled with learning, exploration, and social interaction keeps your brain sharp and adaptable throughout your life. It's like exercising your brain, making it stronger and more resistant to age-related decline. Learning is not just about acquiring knowledge, it's about expanding your mental horizons, cultivating curiosity, and embracing the joy of discovery. So keep your mind active, stay curious, and never stop learning. And if you enjoyed this journey into the brain, don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating science content.